Driving along, it's the long weekend for the Puja holidays. So this was actually part of the long time plan because we regularly keep going to Bandipur, and we thought we'll visit Shiva Samudra Falls, which is always on the way. Most of the times there is no water. This year with all the rains and the latest last month rains, it would be worth it. So we thought we'll visit it this time. So as usual, Karnataka roads, the weekends when you start early, they are always empty. So this was one day before the holiday, and empty roads, beautiful sceneries, clear skies. This is actually a lovely drive, is how I'll say it. Hills. Obviously, when you're going towards a waterfall, there has to be a hill. So that's the turn near Malavalli where we split and go towards this waterfalls. This actually comes under Chamarajanagar district itself. Beautiful bridge over the Kaveri river, of course. Water levels are not high, but water speed is good because of the rain. The gushing water, the sound of the water, all is there. But levels have not yet increased. I think, you need more rains for that. Kaveri is the elixir, for all the South Indian places. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, everybody trusts, believes, depends on Kaveri. That's the auto stand. This is the junction where we go to the Barachuki Falls, and there's an ATM also there. As we go, this is the first bridge which we cross. This is more closer to the falls. You hardly have another, say, 10 kilometers to the falls or something like that. Yeah, that's the gate. Well maintained. The gate itself, you can make out that it is well maintained, well disciplined.
Not 20.
ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿನಾ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ನಾ
ಸರ್?
ಎಂಟ್ರಿನಾ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್
ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ನಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು. ಸಿಕ್ತ ಗಾಡಿ
ನಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬಂತು ನೋಡು, ವೈಟ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನೋಡು, ಬೇಗ ನೋಡೋದು, ತಲಾಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು.
Guy looks busy on the phone. He didn't want to answer my questions, but that was for parking, 20 rupees. And a short drive till the parking lot. Hardly a 5-minute drive. So we have reached the Barachuki Falls, and beautiful. I'll just change the camera. Lovely falls, a beautiful place to stand and watch. Let's see how close we can go.
waterfalls.
That's a closer view. So this is Barachuki and Gaganchuki, both are the same. Gaganachuki, both are the same. That is the eastern side and the western side are two different names. And both of them together are called, or this whole place is called Shivan Samudram. That's a simple story. So you
Lovely waterfall behind. Look at the waterfall. Awesome.
a beautiful place actually. Not a huge waterfall. They say it's around 300 feet. Olden times, long back, 10 years back, we used to have boating down there. You can see the big pool where it joins. Coracle ride actually. But nowadays you are not allowed anywhere near. It's all guarded, fenced, and to stop miscreant activities and all that. Which is good actually. So as I told, that's the step leading downstairs. You can go a little further down, but there's no boating, everything is not allowed now. My favorite view from the sky.
Overall well kept, very neat, very clean place. Kind of not much activity to do, but very nice a place. That's all I would say. Very nice a place. The volume might be not great because of the waterfall sound, but sitting here listening to the waterfall is the best.
So that's the overall surrounding, a beautiful village in the side. I just noticed how lucky these guys must be, to have a waterfall right at your backyard. So well kept, very clean. The crowd was less because it was one day before the holidays. So as we move on down there was another temple, a Shiva temple. Looks very old, but not very crowded also. A smiling lady who gave flowers for free. Big enough place, but little modernization has happened. But very small temple which has been, I think, constructed, reconstructed, and things like that. So much is the temple, the main sanctum. Puja happening. The usual Nandi present in every Shiva temple. This Nandi is based on the Ongole breed of Andhra Pradesh. That is a news, if you guys don't know. That's it, it was on the way, so we just visited. And just coming out of the temple, that's the exit. That's the way we entered, that is the exit, same exit.
So we finished that and we are at the foothills of the place. That is the place where the river flows. So I think we'll close the video with this. But the last part of it is so beautiful. Have a look. So this is the view we are talking about. And it's the foothills and it's the last part of it. The river is flowing. People are doing whatever they want. They're washing. And they're enjoying. We'll walk till the end of the river. I don't know if I'm audible enough, but this is the best part of it. Don't know if there'll be leeches also. Lovely, 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 lovely. With that, end. Where do you find a more lovely place? So with that background, we will end our Barachuki waterfalls video. Okay, please do subscribe. Let's see what else we can explore and what else we can show during this. The lockdown is open now, so free to travel again. Thank you and bye bye.